Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI 13T and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So I'm not really sure if you can see anything because of the wallpaper, Apache wallpaper I've got applied, but trust me, I've got the percentage inside the battery icon. So if you want to also apply the percentage, simply enter the settings, we have to tap on them, and then scroll down. So usually we will pick the battery, but not in this model. We have to enter notifications and control center. Then let's scroll down and tap on the status bar. And as you can see, we've got the battery indicator. So we've got three different options. Probably you've got this one, only the battery indicator, or the percentage inside the battery icon. We've got also the third option next to the battery icon, and here in this configuration, the percentage is the most visible in comparison to other options. So it's of course up to you which option you want to apply. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.